Abyssinians are known for their mesmerizing ticked coats that shimmer in the sunlight. They're like living pieces of art. Abyssinians are incredibly active and agile. These furballs love to climb, explore, and play. Make sure to provide plenty of toys and vertical space to keep them happy. Beyond their playful nature, Abyssinians are remarkably affectionate, forging strong connections with their human companions and frequently seeking your attention and companionship. One quirky trait they have is their love for water. Abyssinians are known to enjoy playing with running water, so don't be surprised if they hop in the sink or bathtub. Abyssinians are naturally curious and have a keen desire to explore, often becoming your mini detectives, thoroughly investigating every corner they can find. While they adore human attention, Abyssinians also get along well with other cats and even some dogs, making them a great addition to multi-pet households. Lastly, these kitties have bursts of energy but also appreciate some quality cat naps.